I know I'm not the only one who says that after the birth of my sons, I lost everything in this area. I mean, I didn't have much to begin with, but afterwards, it just was kind of like pathetic. I've been trying to constantly get back some volume that I lost after breastfeeding, and unfortunately, it has not been successful in my experience. So my friend recommended this Boustise Serum, and this is for your chest area right here, and you apply it day and night, twice a day. Now, personally, with my results that I have been getting, my skin is extremely soft, it's smooth, and it does give you that after using this for 2 months, my chest does feel fuller, it's smoother, okay, and it does feel more plump. At least that's the results that I've been personally getting. So this is why I wanted to pop in here and just kind of tell you guys about this and show you how the serum looks out of the bottle, which is like this, and how it looks when you put this on. Obviously, during the application process, you want to make sure that you apply the serum all over your chest, okay? Not just right here where I did it on the top to show you guys, but you apply it everywhere, okay? As soon as you apply the serum on your chest, you feel your skin become smooth, become hydrated, and actually it's feeling really, really silky soft. Other products and other lotions wear out. As you put a shirt on, like that particular feeling is gone. This stuff lasts all day long, and it makes me just feel like I have like silk all over my body. So for me personally, I've had great experience with this product, and I highly recommend you guys check it out yourself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you taking the time.